Is that you?
The last time I checked. Is there no morning mass today? I was so looking forward.
No, it's... Wow. Look at you. It's getting like so... Mom? I'm sorry, sweetie. It's just...